So we'll come here. So this video is just I'm going to be showing you how to make an application. Every other thing, requirements, fees, and all of that, I've made it on the previous video. So you come to admission process explained, you click here, admission application. How can I apply? Click on this link. So it brings you straight to this dashboard. So I'm going to come here, find program. Anyway, you can as well do where to read any of this information that you think is of importance to you. I've already explained most of them on my previous video. So you come to find program. So you're going to tick the ones that are not important to you, which is this last academic section, because we are going for 2026, 2027. We are looking for English taught programs. Only show programs I can apply for. You click here, find programs. So these are all the programs available. Some of them are open, some of them are not opened. The ones with 3 years, they are BSc. The ones with 2 years, they are MSc programs. Okay. So let's say we are going for, say, finance. You click more information. Okay. So this is the application fee. 2 years program English. Say after you apply, an enrollment committee will evaluate your competence and skills to determine if they meet the program required. So this is the requirement. Please do well to read it before you make any application. Okay, look at the requirements carefully. Carefully. Say application are accepted from the following territories based on citizenship world. So they accept application from anywhere. Okay, anywhere. Said here a statement of purpose must be added to your application. So here they want you to add a statement of purpose for this particular program. Okay, so that is why you must look at the requirements to find out if you can apply. So to now apply, we'll come and click here, apply now. So this is the Dream ID dashboard. If you've applied to Padova before, you would be used to this portal. Now, if you already have a registered email and password for Padova or any other university that uses this particular Dream ID password, you can actually use that account to also register, or rather log in to Siena. Okay, now this is an account I already have before. I'm going to use to log in. But meanwhile, if you are new, you just click I am a new applicant. When you click it, you put your email address, a link will come on your email. When that link arrives, you will register, create a password, and that's all. Okay, so I'm going to go back now. So you can come here, sign in to take you back to the Dream ID. So once you create an account, your account will show up here just like this one is showing here. Now this favor obas. So I will click this. I'll put my password here, and then I will sign in. Okay. Now to continue, you just come here and then choose your program. You can type it in the search bar, or you come down and search again, economics. Okay, so you can come here and you add more choices if you want to add another program. So you're going to come here, profile, fill in all the information. Okay, fill it all up, put your passport photograph here. Then you come back here again to this side, you fill in all the information for your contacts. You come to education. So here it says, please enter information about your formal education starting from your secondary education. Now, even if you're going for an MSc program, you still need to fill in your secondary school information. If you have yet finished your current school or university, if you have not yet, sorry, please enter the date of expected graduation, which will be the current admission year. So you must be graduating this year, okay, for you to be able to apply to this university. So you fill it all here. For this program name, if you are filling for your secondary school information, you know, we used to be separated into arts, social science, and science. So that's what you put here. No much formalities. So please, for your GPA or average grade, what you finished with on a secondary school, refer to your transcript of a secondary school, which is your SS1 result to your SS3 result. I've talked about that before. So the grade, they want you to put it in this grading system. Here they've provided a calculator, okay, for you to do the conversion. So it's very easy. And also you will find what is your average grade possible, and your minimum grade and your maximum grade. They made the explanation on this. Like, let's click it so you see. So maximum and minimum grade is the highest score and the minimum score. For example, now a test is 10 and the pass mark is 5. So the maximum is 10, the minimum is 5. Simple. So this is the conversion formula that you're going to use to make your conversion to the scale of 60 um over 100. Okay, they've also made a downloadable spreadsheet here for you to also make it easy if you cannot do the calculation with this formula. So that's it. So when you finish with this one, when you finish with your secondary school, you click insert a new block. This block will come out again, and then you fill the one for your BSc program. So you come to language, you click your language. Okay, so please take note, I didn't check if this program requires compulsory um English proficiency. Okay, when you come to employment, you click this block, you fill in your employment information. Okay, references, you see this one requires you to submit reference. Okay, reference full name, reference email. To assure the reference confidentiality, we will send a reference invitation to the email address that you supply, so that the one that will send it themselves, not you. Okay, so on this particular call, as part of the application process for the selected program, applicants are required to upload a short video, approximately 1 minute, introducing themselves and explaining their motivations for applying. So here you must submit a motivation video. Okay, so please do well to do very good on it. So they've also told, look, or you can use or you can use one of these services to attach your media. Please refer to the relevant terms and conditions of one of these services before uploading your content here. Okay, so you can upload it here or use any of these to upload. So when you finish, you come to documents. No document have been uploaded because I haven't uploaded anyone. Come to orders. They say, how did you get to know about the university? You take it. You come to checklist. So this is the checklist to show if everything you've done is correct. So if everything you've done is correct, you take this good mark. If there's anything that you've not done that is correct, you click it like this. Okay, and it will show you what you've not done, and you do it. Okay, so signature. So either you can sign here, you draw your signature, or you sign with your phone. Okay, and then after all of that, you're going to submit. Now, this particular university, I think the same thing for Padova. You're not going to just pay the application fee here immediately. They're going to send you an email address with the details, the invoice for the application fee, so you pay it there. All right, guys. So thank you very much for watching till this time. I really do appreciate. If you have any questions, please ask me in the comment section. Like this video if you don't like it at this point, and subscribe to my YouTube channel if it's your first time. I really appreciate all my returning subscribers. God bless you so much. You know I love you. I can always say I offer guidance and assistance on my paid Telegram group. DM me on Facebook or send me an email to know how to join the group. Thank you very much. See you in another video. Bye.